Today our topic is profit and loss including discount, and we have got a question which is actually very interesting. It says a shopkeeper allows 20% discount and still earns a profit of 20%. If the SP, which is selling price, is 360, you need to find the mark price as well as the cost price. Now these are the highlights of the sum. Our first case says we have got a discount of 20%. Still we are making a profit of 20%. Although our selling price is 360. You need to find mark price as well as cost price. We will be doing this sum in two cases. So let's say case 1 we are doing for finding mark price. Now since the mark price is not mentioned, let the mark price be X. Very simple. Whenever mark price is not given, we need to assume it as X. How much discount is given? The percentage of discount is 20%. So 20% discount on mark price. So in that case 20 by 100 into X, that gives us X by 5. If we cancel, 0 0 gets cut, 2 and 10 gets cut, we get 5. So X by 5. This is our discount. Now you need to find the selling price. The formula for finding selling price in case of discount is mark price minus discount. That is X minus X by 5. If we do LCM, we will get 4X by 5. This is what? This is our selling price. Now in the question, we have already got a selling price. So according to the question, we can say this selling price is equivalent to this. From there we can frame an equation, that is 4x by 5, that means this SP is equals to 360, that is this SP. From there you need to find the value of X, which is very simple. X is equals to 360, 5 was in division form, if we take it to that side it will be multiplied, 4 was in multiplication form, if we take it to this side this will be division. So if we cancel 4 and 360 we get 90, so the value of X is 450. That means our mark price that we were supposed to find is 450. Our case 1 is solved. Now let's move on to the second part of the question, that is we need to find the cost price. So case 2. Now as we have assumed the mark price as X, we cannot assume the cost price as X. Let's say the cost price be Y. Let us assume the cost price as Y. How much profit we are making? We are making 20% profit. So profit percentage is equals to 20%. Now 20% profit will be calculated on cost price itself. So 20 by 100 into X. Again if we do cancellation, we get X by 5. This is what? This is our profit. So we need to find the selling price as well. Selling price formula in case of profit is CP plus profit. In case of discount, the formula for selling price was mark price minus discount. In case of profit, the formula for finding selling price is cost price plus profit. Remember this. So X plus X by 5. If we do LCM and find out the value, we get 6X by 5. This is what? This is our SP. And we already got a SP in our question, that was 360. So according to the question, we can say 6x by 5 is equals to 360. As because this SP and this SP is equal. So from there we need to find the value of X, which is simple. The value of X is 5 is in division form. If we take it to that side, we get multiplication. And 6 was in multiplication sign. If we take it to that side, we get it as division. So if we cancel, we get 60. The value of X is 60 into 5, that is 300, and this is our cost price. So our mark price was 450 and cost price is 300. Done.